Oh, look, sisters.
Yeah. What?
Look, it says 80 more miles to the Family Feud audition.
We're gonna have so much fun.
What are we gonna do if we win $100,000? It's gonna be so awesome.
You guys, you know what I hear? I hear how sexy Steve Harvey is. He's sexy and he knows it.
Yeah,
he's sexy and he knows it.
He's sexy.
Yeah, sexy.
Yeah. You guys, I have a friend, and her family tried out for the audition. She said they had a blast. She said it was so much fun. I can't wait.
Yeah,
it's going to be so fun.
Definitely.
Hey, listen, you guys know we're going to beat that family. You know we're going to win, okay? It doesn't matter who it is. That's right. The Hopkins family is coming.
Oh, that's right.
So, anyway, who's going to play the Fast Money round?
I want to play the Fast Money. I want to play. You want to play the Fast Money? I'd like to play the Fast Money round.
You guys are going to play Fast Money.
Oh, guys, look. Wait a minute. I'm getting stopped. Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, my. Hang on.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
Okay, you all right? You got your seatbelts.
Dang it. What'd you do, Karen?
Hello, officer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah?
Do you have your license and registration?
Where's my purse?
Right there. Don't freak out.
Okay.
Did you guys have your seatbelt?
There you go.
Yeah.
And might I ask where you wild women are heading?
Officer, we are the Hopkins sisters, and we are on our way to the Family Feud! We're from Winamac, Indiana, and I'm Karen.
And I'm Connie. Well, I'm not the oldest, but I'm Connie.
Yeah.
Hi, officer! I'm Debbie. I'm the middle. Hey, officer. I'm Laura. I'm the second youngest.
Hey, I'm Tammy, and I'm the baby.
Yeah, baby.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
do you know why I pulled you over today?
Yeah, I think I have it. Speeding!
Good answer.
I didn't catch you driving over the speed limit.
Oh.
How about you in the passenger seat?
We got it. Oh, we have a headlight out!
I like that answer, officer.
Your headlights seem to be working properly. How about you in the back?
You go. Come here.
Officer, speed lane violation, seatbelt violation. Seatbelt. Yeah, good answer.
That's a good one. I know that's a good one.
I didn't see any seatbelt violations. How about you in the middle?
Come on, he wants an answer from me.
answer from you. Okay.
Texting while driving.
Yeah.
Texting.
I didn't see any texting. And last?
Oh, you know what?
Come here. I know. We know.
Was it swerving? We're swerving. We're swerving. Swerving.
I did see you swerve. However, I pulled you over for having too much fun while operating a motor vehicle. Ladies, excuse me. Do you know the penalty for having too much fun?
Hang on. Final answer.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay. Chinese fire drill! Chinese fire drill! Chinese fire drill!
Oh, I can tell you Hopkins sisters are just too much to handle.
Yeah!
You're free to go. Do you have any last words?
We sure